Hi everyone, thanks so much for pressing play. I hope we're all well. This video is going to be about moon phase for 13th of August. Some interesting numbers I want to show. And it also made me have to look back in time, so I'm kind of remembering the future by doing this video. To this video I did 2 months ago. Oh no, it's going to go all the way back down. It's miles back, but I wanted to make this video shorter than... This is the third time I'm trying to record it. I'll leave the link for it. But it's to do with the numbers 984. Because that's how many troops were deployed after the Manchester false flag bombing. But I just watched some of this video back to try and remember what I was on about with the 984. And there I've got 13th of October without even knowing what that meant at the time. And that's 2 months ago, this video. I didn't know about the Knights Templar year of 1307 and the 13th of... I knew about the Friday the 13th possibly at this point, but I didn't know it was in October. I didn't know about the year or anything of it. I did the Google search a few days ago. So it's as if it's like, again, they were telling us about this date secretly through the 989 troops. So yeah, it's worth watching this video. But hopefully I can just perhaps show a little bit of how it got to that. I was looking at ways of using the 984.
Times 9, getting 756 and 657.
That way, the answer plus the mirror is 666.
You're just doing it differently. Sorry, not differently, just in the way that it's...
So here, this is me without realising it. Writing down that 13th of October, Knights Templar date.
7 and 6, 13. Then you got the 10 again in the middle.
It's ridiculous,
there
isn't it?
You've got 1, 3, 1.
But it kind of gets better.
4, 5, 6.
The actual answer is 1413.
So that's what that comes to. 1,
The answer
4,
of
1,
that is
3,
1413.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So it's the 14th, 13th, 14th thing again. But yeah, I'll leave the link for that. But let's go straight in with the moon phase, August 13th. 67% illumination. Right. So straight away you got your 6 and 7, 13. Ultimate question again, the 42. 6th number in Fibonacci is the August. 7th number in Fibonacci is the 13th of August. 67 plus 76, 143. You got your 8. 1, 4 that side, 4, 3 that side. 5 and 7, 12. 7, 5, 35. 3, 5, the 8 again. August 12th, so the 12th bit coming in. It's part of the whole weekend. 11, 12, 13, stroke 14. Knights Templar, August 12th, in the year 1308. The charges increased after the October 1307 of being captured. A lot of them probably died at that point through the torture process. The ones kept alive, the charges increased on them. Moon age is pretty dull, 2050. So I wanted to just look at other things with that instead of just 7 or 70. If O is the 9, reducing it down, so instead of 360 degrees, you suddenly get 2959. That's suddenly 1114. 9529. If the O is 36, keeping it as 36 instead of 9 is 236, 536. 536 add 236, 772. Bit more interesting than those. 77 times 2, 154. 154 is actually the angle of the moon, which is what 96s are. 96 anti-time again. And also 154, not only is it 1 times 54, so a 96, it's also hidden 69, 1554, 69. That number alone is 96 and also 69. Kind of neat. And so is the way you can get rid of the zeros by doing 50 divided by 20. You get 2.5. I wanted to keep them because it showed patterns. Moon angle, so I've just covered that one. This is where it really starts to get fun as well. The distance there, 369, 984, 96. So again, tying in with the video that I'm going to leave the link for that I showed it at the beginning. That was to do with the numbers 984. And I've just shown how that on its own you can actually get to 13, 10, 13, which I'll leave the link in the video for. So I knew that 2 months ago without even knowing it. Here it's popping up in the sun distance. Sorry, this is still the moon distance. You've got the Tesla bit at the beginning. The 984, which I believe was the year the Antichrist was put in the pit. Satan, whatever you want to describe it as, him as. 1,000 years later, 1984. That's the short time then he was released to cause havoc. Ever since that year, 33 years ago. And then you got your 96 at the end. Add all those together individually, comes to 54. So it's still 96. Here I noticed as well, block that off, the 4, 9 and 6, keeping that as 54 for 9 times 6. Keep that 8, 9, 9, 6 plus 3. You've suddenly got 13th of August, 999. That comes to 13, that's your 8. There's your 9s. 21, 8 plus 13, of course. Eclipse date 21. So again, it's got the date itself hidden in the distance. Those numbers on their own are enough, but it's got that in there. It's just a breakdown of what these are, 18, 21 and 15. So it's kind of 6s, 7s, and then the 5, the V. Yeah, 6 and 7 again. Single those down and you've got your 936, which of course is 18. Adding them as a block together, the distance comes to 1449. 7 plus 7 and 7 times 7 when you add them as a block. No coincidences. It does make you wonder where these numbers do come from. It's as if they're already predetermined, pre-planned and part of the whole program and the construct that the false construct that we're living in, called reality, so-called reality, virtual reality. Sun distance 151, 544, 259, 57. Here I've kind of blocked them off again, so that comes to 7. That's the 13. So it's the 1307 Knights Templar year again. That's 16, so 2 8s. That's your 12, so your 3 4s. Adding them all together is your 4 8s. Also that's 4 plus 8, 12. 6 times 8 is 48. 1948, 69 years ago. It's also the mirror of the 84 year that I was talking about. And yeah, 4 8s of course, 3 2. Single these ones down to the single number 7473. 21 this time, the mirror of that. So okay, we've got 7, 4, 7, and then the 3. Make that 11 for this 4 plus the 7. You've suddenly got 7, 1, 1, 3. 8th, 13, August 13th. So it's in the sun distance as well. Hidden date, August 13. That's just a reminder of those ones. Adding them all together as a block. 1011. 10 11 is 21. Lose the 0, triple 1, yeah. I wanted to keep the 0 like I did at the beginning. That's 36 then. Keep it as 36. You get your 13th of August. 6 plus 1 plus 1. Thanks a lot. Take care, everyone.